Hariharan.
Yeah.
Welcome. Welcome to Skydiving Spain.
Thank you.
I'm your camera. I'm Mario. Okay, we're gonna jump together and we're gonna do the picture and video for you. Tell me, from where you come, Hariharan?
I come from India.
From India. You come alone?
I came with my friends. Yeah.
Hello, my friend.
Hi.
Welcome.
Hi.
Great. You're on holidays?
Yeah.
And tell me, a long time ago you was thinking to try this experience?
Yeah, when I wanted to come to Sevilla, I think it was like
You have
easy
to do
choice.
it.
Yeah.
You have to try it, for
Exactly.
sure. The first time, no?
Yeah, that's my first time.
Great. Amazing. You want to say something to your friends, people, somebody who see right now the video?
I'm gonna have fun, and I hope so. I'm gonna have fun.
You're very nervous. What happened?
Yeah. It's not a it's not an easy experience.
Yeah. It's gonna be very, very, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope so.
Great. You want to say something? Somebody? Somebody who...
I love my dad and mom.
For sure.
And I also love my sister and my nephew. So hi.
Great. Amazing. Okay, Hariharan, after the jump, maybe you recommend somebody more. Let's see.
For sure.
Great. I see you. Bye.
Yeah, ciao.
How was the experience, my friend?
It was amazing. Fucking
Congratulations.
good. So good.
You recommend that to your friends, family, or somebody?
For sure, I'm coming for this again, and everyone should come.
Where do you go? Here in Skydiving Spain, huh?
Skydiving Spain.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, man.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Adri.